Good morning, everyone. I welcome you in the class of parts of speech. In this class, I want to give you the details of conjunction. Conjunction is a word. It is a word which is used to connect two words or two sentences is called conjunction. So, what is the conjunction? Conjunction is a word which connects or which combines or which joins two words or more, two sentences or more is called what? Conjunction. Is called conjunction. Conjunction means conjunction. Junction. What is the meaning of junction? Joining two or more words. Two or more words. Here also conjunction means connecting word. Conjunction means what is that? Connecting word. Conjunction means connecting word. Its place in the sentence is between two words. The place of the conjunction is between two words or two sentences or at the beginning of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentences. Is it clear? Its place in the sentence is between two words or between two sentences or more, sometimes at the beginning of two sentences, at the beginning of two sentences. Is it clear? Conjunction means connecting two words or two sentences. Connecting two words or two sentences, that is called conjunction. So the example is Ram and Rahim. Here and is called conjunction because it connects two words. It connects how many words? Two words. Ram and Rahim went to college. Went to college. Here and is called conjunction. What is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction is a word which joins or connects two words. Here two words, so it is called a conjunction. Come to this one. She completed her work, so she went out to play. She completed her work. It is one sentence. She went out to play. Here so is called conjunction. So is called a conjunction. Here one sentence. She completed her work is one sentence, and she went out to play one sentence. With the help of this conjunction, so we can connect two sentences. So it is called conjunction. It is called a conjunction. So is between two sentences. Between two sentences, and it connects two sentences. Come here. When the thief saw the police, he ran away. How many sentences are there? Here one, there one. When the thief saw the police, he ran away. Here, when is conjunction because it connects how many sentences? Two sentences. How many sentences? Two sentences. So it is called conjunction, and its place in the sentence is at the beginning of the sentence. At the beginning of the sentence. Is it clear? Conjunction is a word which connects two sentences or two words or more. Its place in the sentence between two words or between two sentences or at the beginning of the sentences. The beginning of the sentence. Here between two words, here between two sentences, here at the beginning of two sentences. So it is a function of the conjunction, and it is the place of the conjunction. And come to the types of conjunctions. We have three types of conjunctions. How many types? Three types. How many types of conjunctions? Three types of conjunction. Here conjunction, first one is coordinate conjunction, subordinate conjunction, and correlative conjunction. Is it clear? The first one is coordinate conjunction, second one is subordinate conjunction, and third one is correlative conjunction. Coordinate conjunction means combines two main clauses. How many clauses? Combines two main clauses. Main clause means individual clause. It never depend on any any other nothing but any subordinate clause. Any other clause. That is called main clause. It combines a conjunction which combines two main clauses, that is called coordinate conjunctions. The examples of coordinate conjunction is and, so, are, else, and then, but, at, therefore. but, at, therefore. These are the examples for what is a coordinate conjunctions. Come to the example coordinate conjunction. He was poor, but he completed his higher studies. It is one main class, and it is also one main class because he was poor. It gives complete sense. So it is called one main class. Leave it. This one. Read out this one. He completed his higher studies. It gives a complete sense. It never depends on other phrase or other sentence, other class. So it is called main class. Coordinate conjunction means a conjunction which connects or it joins two main clauses, that is called coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunction. Is it clear? Coordinate conjunction connects two main clauses is called coordinate conjunction. Examples are these. And come to the subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction means these two main clauses, but it connects one main clause, one subordinate clause. One main clause, one subordinate clause is called what is that? Subordinate conjunction. Is it clear? Subordinate conjunction means a conjunction which connects one main clause, one subordinate clause is called subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions. The example for subordinate conjunction: though, even though, although, as, since, because, if, unless, when, and so. Is it clear? Though, even though, although, as, since, because, if, unless, when, etc. These are all examples for what? Subordinate conjunction. Is it clear? Come to the example, same example. Though he was poor, he completed his higher studies. Year 1 and year 1. Read out this one. Though he was poor means what is that? After the pair word, what happened? We don't know. Now read it. He completed his higher studies. It is a main class. And this is called subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means a clause which doesn't give complete sense. It gives sense but doesn't give the complete sense. Always subordinate clause depends on the main clause to form a meaning. So subordinate clauses are called dependent clauses. Those are called main clauses are called independent clauses. Is it clear? The subordinate clause depends on what is that main clause to give a complete sense. So subordinate clause is called this clause is called subordinate clause. Is it clear? Subordinate conjunction means a conjunction which combines one main clause, one subordinate clause. One main clause, one subordinate clause is called subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. Is it clear? Subordinate conjunction. Here coordinate clause conjunction two main clauses. Subordinate conjunction one main clause, one subordinate clause. Like though he was poor, he completed his higher studies. Come to this one. Last type of conjunction is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction connects two main clauses like what is that? Coordinate conjunction. So the example for correlative conjunction is either or. We never separated either or. And either or, neither nor, not only but also both and. Is it clear? No sooner than also. So either or, neither nor, not only but also both and. These are all called what is that? Correlative conjunctions. So example, she buys either book or a pen. She buys what is that? Either book or a pen. This is she buys a book or a pen. Is it clear? One main clause, one subordinate clause. So these are the examples for what is that? Correlative conjunctions. So this is the seventh type of parts of speech. We will meet in the next session. That is the last session for parts of speech. Thank you very much.